Alright, welcome to QuikCodes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put in a RAM chip. In this case, it's a 2 gig one. Inside the computer, that way you don't have to always resort to the alternative, which is buying a whole new system. You could just easily swap out the chip on your own. It only takes a couple of seconds. Make sure you have, the proper gear. You know what I'm saying? I've heard a lot of times people don't use any gear, they just use their fingers. Make sure your fingers not greasy, don't have any chemicals or anything, so it don't cause any static or cause any damage to the motherboard. But as you see, we have this old refurbished system right here because I'm at a site, a system for the time being, and I think it's a Windows XP Home Edition. And as you can see, it's a dinosaur, it's archaic. So we're just gonna use it as a test dummy. This is the side of it. As you see, it's pretty nasty inside. It's simple too. I like simple. Simple is easy to get in and get out. You don't have to be too complex all the time. You already see a lot of the components. You have the power supply, the fan, CPU fan. You have, the CMOS chip that deals with the timing. You have the PCIs, which are used for these adapters. You see the Ethernet ports and the extra cabling. I guess it had to be used as an addition. Other pieces, but what we want to look at right now, we want to swap out the RAM chip. RAM, you can see it's this piece right here. Okay. If you notice, it's clipped inside. You have 2 clips on the side. Let's see, try to zoom in. It's a clip right here. It's a clip on the other side. All right. And all you have to do is you'll pull on each side. And since I'm using, one hand to hold the phone, I can't do it right now. So give me a second. But you're gonna pull it, and it's gonna gently, easily pull it out without damaging it. Okay.